lecture we have discussed about the reciprocal lattice of face-centered cubic crystal system, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the what is meant by Wigner seed cell. Okay, and friends, we have studied earlier about the primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell is nothing but the if only one lattice point or if only one atom is present in that particular unit cell, it is said to be primitive unit cell. Okay, and so for the construction of primitive unit cell, there are many methods available. Among these various methods, the most popular method was described or discovered by the Wigners and Seeds. Okay, so the primitive cell constructed by this method is known as Wigner seed cell, and it is the smallest volume unit cell. Okay, so here we have few steps for the construction of Wigner seed cell. Okay, so first step is consider lattice point as a origin. Here we have set up lattice point. In this we will consider this lattice point as the origin of this set of lattice point. Okay, so second step is connect the origin point to all nearly lattice point by drawing a line. So we will connect the nearer lattice points. Okay, connect all nearer lattice points. Okay, so next step is connect the origin point to all nearly lattice point, and next step is draw perpendicular bisectors of all connecting lines, or we can say draw the vectors. Okay, so okay, in this way we can construct the Wigner unit cell. Here we have the small volume formed by the perpendicular bisectors is called as Wigner seed cell. So here this is the Wigner seed cell. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe the channel.